Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Access. In this module, I want to show you how you can create a duplicates query to check for duplicate entries in a table. So first of all, table customers, if I open this up, there are no duplicates there at the moment, but I'm just going to copy one of these to show you how it works. If I copy this record, paste it as a new record underneath and change the ID number, I'll make sure the ID number changes. It does, it's an auto number, so it's gone to 8, so that's great. But there, Janet Kai's in there twice. It is the same person. The address and everything is exactly the same. The only difference is the ID number is different, so it's been entered twice. So how do I find this in a bigger list? Obviously you can see that there, there's only 8 records, but if I have 800 or 8,000 records, I wouldn't necessarily pick that up. The way to do it is to create a duplicates query, and that sits in the create tab and then query wizard, and in there you've got cross tab find duplicates. That's the one I want. When you click OK, starts a wizard and asks you which table you want to look at. In this database, this is the shop database. Customers is selected at the top there, that's what I want, but you've got options for queries and both. But table customers is what I need to look at. Next. So now you're pushing across the fields that you think may be duplicate. Which fields may be duplicate? Well, customer name for definite I'm going to push across, and I'll leave it like that for now. Next, which additional fields do I want to look at? Well, I want to look at the rest of them. So that will tell me if the customer ID is different, which it must be if you set a primary key. It can't be duplicated. This information may well be the same. Follow it through, give it a name. I'm going to leave it as it is there, and then finish. And then it picks up that duplicate record. So you can see there that it's the ID number that has been entered twice. That's the difference, but everything else, postcode, address details and name, is exactly the same. So what you can do there is just delete that record. I'll delete that one. In fact, I won't delete that one. I'll cancel that off. I'll delete the one that's got 8 because that's the last one put in. That one. Delete that. Yes. So when I close this query, it sits with the rest of the queries. Now when I run it this time, there won't be any records because there are no duplicates because I deleted it. So it just sits there, and what you could probably do is on a main menu form have a command button that you click every now and again just to check whether there are any duplicates in these tables. Same with stock, where they've got duplicate items in there. But I'll cover that on a different session. But that's all I want to talk about in this little session: how to create a duplicate query to check for duplicate entries in your data. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you in the next one.